coming to you guys today with another synthetic wig review from Amazon. So let's just hop right into this video. This is what the wig came in. This is a very affordable wig. It comes with eyelashes, a netted wig cap. It is a full wig. This is what it looks like in the inside. She doesn't have any combs, but she does have adjustable straps. This is what she looks like up close. So I'm gonna go try her on before I do anything to her, because she's definitely probably gonna need to be customized, maybe cut a little bit. So I'm gonna go throw her on and I'll be right back to show you guys what she looks like. Okay guys, this is what the wig looks like straight out of the packaging. And I absolutely love the color. She's very bouncy. This is what she looks like in the back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to kind of fluff out the hair and separate some of the curls. Hey guys, so this is the final look after I cut her and I separated the curls, fluffed her out a bit because I really do love big hair. I absolutely love it. I give her a thumbs up. Make sure you guys go and check her out. I will leave the link down in the description box. Also, let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see on my channel. Let me show you guys what the back looks like. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video.